This video is for my class on design and interactivity or game design, but it really can help with a lot of people out there. So feel free to check this out, but we're going to go through steps on what you do when your game is not proceeding to the next level. This also works if you're creating new levels, which I have a separate video for. But let's just say you've got your 3 levels or 4 levels set up, and you just can't seem to proceed to the next level. So there are a couple different things that could cause this. So the first thing I want you to check is to go under File and then go to Build Settings. Okay, so here we have our 3 levels here, but I created a 4th level. If I don't have this 4th level in here, when I make a build, it will not proceed to the 4th level. It'll end at the 3rd level and go back to the 1st level, because basically what it's doing is, this is saying I want you to omit this level. So if you're in browser and it's not proceeding, or you've made a build and it's not proceeding to the next level, this is the first thing to check. Because let's say, all right, I just deleted level 3. I just deleted level 2. Now that means that only level 1's ever going to be built. By the way, I deleted those by selecting them and hitting the delete button. Now I want those levels back, right? I want to be able to proceed to my next level. So I just go down here. It's real simple. Just go down here and drag it up. Level 2, level 3, level 4. Now, if any of these are unchecked, that level will not load. It won't be created in the build itself. So it'll skip from level 1 to level 3. You can even change the orders of levels in here. So say you make your level 3 really, really simple and basic, but your level 1 is way too advanced and you want to think about player progression. You can change the levels in here. However, you then need to go in and change the actual title of the level, because when it comes up, it says level 1, level 2, level 3, based on the scripts that we have in there for this class. So that'll be a separate video that I'll show you how to do that. Now, so I'm now, I can just now create my build and I will proceed to level 1, 2, 3, and then 4. You're only doing 3 levels, but I added a 4th level for another video, so that's why. Okay, so that's the first thing to check, okay? Make sure all of these are checked, make sure everything is present here. Now, the next thing to check is go to, now this is unique to this project that your projects are all based on, right? I gave you a kit for this class, I gave you a kit, and this is very specific to this. So basically, if you click on the exit goal, so here we have the exit right here. Now let's go down to next level script. First of all, make sure this is here. If it is not, we're going to have to add it. But if it is, you should make sure that this box is checked. So basically, this is a very simple script that was written that explains, I'm opening Visual Studios now on another screen. Let me just show you the script real quick. This is a script that has been applied to the exit point, the exit goal, and it is tied to the player character object, and it's also tied to the ball object. So if you get the ball in the goal or the player goes in the goal, it will say level complete and it will proceed to the next level. Well, if this script is not checked on that level, you just won't proceed. It won't. Now, so always make sure that this script is present. If it's not, just click Add Component and type in next level, and you see the script, because we already have the script in here. The script, if it's not in here, let me know, and we'll get that fixed, but it should be in here, and then you should be golden. Now, one other thing to just kind of backtracking to what I talked about earlier with the build settings. So you see here we have level 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice your demo level isn't in here, because I had you play around in those scenes. The demo level right here, it's not in here because we didn't add it to this build settings, the builds in the scene, the scenes in build. So those are the basics of what to do if you're having problems getting your game to proceed to the next level. If it's not proceeding in Unity, in the actual editor, make a build and try with the build, because sometimes I've come across a couple situations where For some reason, it's not working in Unity, but when you make a build, everything is fine. So also try that out. So those are 3 different ways that there could be problems, or a couple different ways. I guess I mentioned 2, but the third one is make a build to see if it proceeds or not. But so there's various different ways that this could happen, but try these out. If they don't work, contact me and on Discord. These are to my students, and we'll see if we can get this fixed. All right. Thank you. I've never come across a situation where we haven't been able to proceed to a next level. So eventually we will get it to work. All right. See you all in class.